Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg dosa. First, let's prepare our dosa batter. You'll need a well-fermented batter, usually a blend of rice and urad dough. The consistency is key. It should be pourable, much like a thin pancake batter. If it's too thick, add a little water. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the batter for enhanced flavor. This foundational step ensures your dosa will be perfectly crisp and delicious. Next, let's prepare the star of our dish, the egg topping. Crack 1 or 2 fresh eggs into a small bowl. Whisk them vigorously until the yolk and white are completely combined and slightly frothy. For seasoning, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. You can also include finely chopped onions or green chilies for an extra layer of flavor and texture, if you like. Now let's cook the dosa base. Place a non-stick tawa or griddle over medium-high heat and let it get nice and hot. Once heated, pour about 1 ladleful of your prepared dosa batter onto the center. Using the back of the ladle, quickly spread the batter outwards in a circular motion to create a thin, even dosa. This quick spreading ensures a uniform and crispy base for your egg topping. As the dosa cooks, drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil around its edges. Once the dosa is partially cooked, pour your whisked egg mixture evenly over the entire surface. Let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg is fully set and the dosa turns a beautiful golden brown. Finally, fold the dosa in half and serve it immediately with your favorite chutney or sambar for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.